Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit contour on the Facetune application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So just open a project, and here you can find the lower bar at the lower side of the screen. Tap to the makeup option next to the hairstyles, and here you can find the contour. You can find different options. Just click that, for example, and if you want to set that, click to the white circle and just pull on the line, and you can set the strength of the contour. And if you finish, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.